Hello guys, it's Vixen Tech. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. You must have seen something like this online and you may be wondering how it was achieved. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can do something like this with your smartphone. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is the default of my Pixellab. Now let's import the image that we are going to use to achieve that trick in Pixellab. Yes, of course, you know this is Mohamed Salah. So stretch the image. Okay, I think this is okay. So guys, before I continue this tutorial video, I want you to do something for me right away. Please, if you know that you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you would always get notified whenever I drop a new content. That is one of the ways you can appreciate the videos I put on my YouTube channel every week. If you have done that, thank you so much. Okay, now for this image we are going to duplicate it. Reason being that each time you stretch an image on Pixellab, the quality tends to drop, so the only way you can retain the quality of the image is by duplicating it. So this is good enough. So leave the image there, then go to relative position. Let's centralize the image. Yeah, it's at the center now. Beautiful. Now go to your A icon, click on test, go to edit, and let's type the name of that player, Salah. Okay, done. So click on OK. Beautiful. Now go to size. Let's increase the size. Okay, increase it to 300. Yeah, just increase it to 300. That's okay. Now go to font. Yeah, we'll be using a peculiar font for this right up, which is Go Bold Upload. So click on it, then click on OK. Yeah, so take it up. Okay, this is okay, leave it there. In case you don't know how to install font into your Pixellab, I'm going to be dropping a video in the description below, and that video is going to guide you on how you can install font into your Pixellab. Okay, now take that right up to the back. Yes, so click to back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. To back, just click on it. Yeah, we've sent it to the back. Then click on copy again. Beautiful. Bring it down. Make sure that it aligns with the text behind the player. If you have done that, then go to color, then click on this plus icon, reduce the level of transparency, then click on OK. Click on this good icon. Now I want you to go to stroke. Yes, this is stroke. Enable it. Change the color to white. Beautiful. Then reduce the stroke width to 3. Yeah, you've seen it. This is how you create this kind of effect in Pixellab. If you know that you found this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that this video can get to others. Thank you so much. It's still Vixen Tech. See you in my next video.